Hi everyone, as you can see, I only have one screen and I'm working and also watching my favorite TV show. As you can see, and in this video, we'll show you how to use a picture-in-picture Google extension that lets you watch video in a floating window. Uh, so, this extension works with YouTube, online videos, and many streaming website like movie websites, TV shows, and whatever video that you like to watch and work at the same time. This is the solution for you. And in order to install this extension, it is very simple. You only need to go to, let's first remove it and I show you how to install it. Uh, for you to install this extension, it's very easy. Just search for picture-in-picture extension by Google and click on add to Chrome. Now it's added to your bar. All you need to do is click on this little icon over here where it will show you your extensions, and then search for picture-in-picture extension and pin the extension to be showing here. And then whenever you find what you like to watch, just type in one click on the extension and it will show the video over here. And now you can work and navigate through other websites and also watch your favorite videos. Yeah, that's it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video if it helped and also subscribe for more tips. Thank you.